Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hotel Indigo Lower East Side, an IHG hotel. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, free Wi-Fi, parking, non-smoking rooms, fitness center and a pet-friendly. Hotel Indigo Lower East Side features rotating art installations and offers complimentary Wi-Fi. Each room here will provide you with a mini bar. Featuring a bath or shower, a private bathroom also comes with a hairdryer. Extras include a desk, a safety deposit box and ironing facilities. At Hotel Indigo Lower East Side you will find a 24-hour front desk. Guests can dine at Mr. Purple or enjoy a deep in the open-air, heated pool. The hotel is 2,650 feet from Little Italy, 1.2 miles from Brooklyn Bridge and 1.3 miles from Fulton Street, Broadway, Nassau Street. Newark Liberty International Airport is 11 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.